Let's go. way we don't seem too extra. And so at that point, when we come back in, we just come back in with some soft ops and piano strings. You know what I'm saying? So let's end on Chicago one last time when we done with the song. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, ready, go. Come out tonight, man.
Hey, the last time
cool. Anyway, what you got? Let me cut this off so we can finish. All right, y'all. Listen, come out tonight. It's going down. I promise y'all. We got who we got tonight? We have on the organ, we got Marcus Lee on the drums. We got Nehemiah Kelly. We have Greg Hoke. And we have the legend, the living legend, JAMEY White. the triple threat, the bass player, the organ player, the choir master. Then we got the young buck. We got the young buck Marcus Jones on bass, another triple threat. Then we got our guest.
He on break from festival tour. So
Right. He on break from tour. We got Philip Hudson.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
Hudson Studios.
Philip 2.0.
Right, Philip 2.0. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all later. Peace out.